can start this bracelet by going straight into knotting to a chevron point, or you could work it from a teardrop loop if you prefer. To begin, you want to work your two sections as you would for a regular chevron for row 1. So starting on the left, you want to do forward knots till you get to the centre. So once you've done the left hand side, you want to do a mirror image on the right, this time taking the outside colour and doing backward knots over the rest of the threads until you get to the centre. Once you've got both your contrast colours in the centre, you can knot these together. So I'm just going to do a forward knot, but you could do whichever knot you prefer. For row 2, you want to do all forward backward knots on your left hand side. You want to do a mirror on the right hand side and do backward forward knots. And in the centre, I'm just going to do a forward knot again. So for row 3, you're going to change things up a bit, and instead of working from the sides inward, you want to work from the centre outward. So taking the contrast colour on the left, you want to do backward knots over the rest of the threads on the left. And then you want to do a mirror at the other side. So this time, working the right hand side, you want to do forward knots over the rest of the threads. For row 4, starting on the left, you want to do a backward forward knot. And then forward backward knots for the rest of the row to the centre. And you want to do a mirror at the other side. So starting on the right hand side, you want to do a forward backward knot. And then you want to do backward forward knots until you get to the centre. And once in the centre, you want to knot together. So I'm just going to do a forward knot, but again, you can do whichever kind of knot you prefer. And you want to keep repeating these 4 rows all the way down until you get the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And once you finish, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've done 2 braided tie-on ends at each end, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.